Seeing an E4 error code suddenly appear on your dishwasher can quickly interrupt an entire wash cycle and leave dishes sitting unfinished inside. Many users notice this issue appearing in the middle of cleaning, while others see the dishwasher stop working before the cycle even starts. Depending on the dishwasher model, the E4 code is commonly linked to water flow issues, drainage problems, overflow detection, or moisture related interruptions inside the system. Sometimes water collects where it should not, filters become blocked, or the dishwasher senses something unusual and pauses operation automatically. Instead of pressing buttons repeatedly or restarting cycles over and over, these are the steps you can try to fix this and clear the dishwasher E4 error properly. 1. Turn off the dishwasher completely and disconnect power for a short period before checking anything. 2. Open the dishwasher and inspect the bottom area for standing water or blockage around the filter. 3. Clean the drain filter carefully and make sure water can move through normally. 4. Check the drain hose for bends, twists, or anything interrupting water flow. Number 5. Restore power and run a short rinse cycle to confirm the E4 code disappears properly.